Hey y'all, it's Tiana Chanell, and yes, I absolutely travel with my rhinestones. Whether I'm heading to the beach, visiting family, or just escaping for the weekend, you better believe I got a sparkle kit packed and ready. Let me show you everything I bring when I'm traveling and still want to get my rhinestoning fix in. This is my go-to setup, and it all fits neatly into one bag. First up, my trusty wax pencil and pencil sharpener, essentials for picking up those stones fast and easy. Gotta keep that tip sharp. These travel trays are a game changer, compact, lightweight, and perfect for storing stones on the go. No more rhinestones rolling into hotel carpet. Next is my glue, and I always pour it into a precision tip bottle for extra control because I don't want a gluey mess while I'm out of town. Of course, I bring all the rhinestones I need for whatever cup I'm working on, and yes, I plan ahead so I don't overpack too much. A tape measure is handy to make sure my layout is even, and I also keep a weeding tool close by. It's perfect for tiny adjustments. And I never travel without my headlamp, because hotel lighting, not it. I need to see the sparkle. One of my favorite tools is my travel cup turner. It comes apart easily and fits right in my bag. Just plug it in when I get there, and I'm good to go. I keep it all in a sturdy little travel bag so nothing gets lost, and so I can pull out my sparkle station anytime, anywhere. Before I hit the road, I always prep my tumbler, sanding, painting, and sealing if needed, so all I have to do is rhinestone when I arrive. No mess, no stress. So yes, rhinestoning on the go is totally doable, and honestly it's kind of therapeutic to sparkle up a tumbler while you're unwinding in a new place. Everything I mentioned except for the tape measure, bag, headlamp, and weeding tool is from Diamond Fire Rhinestones, and you can find links in the description. Safe travels and happy rhinestoning.